here's how you can empty water from the Apple Watch. Let's talk about it. And if this is your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, what you can do is, in order to get the water out of that, there is like a gesture or like a sequence in the Apple Watch which does extend the water from there. But in order to trigger that, just open up the control center as such and enable the water mode. So there's going to be the water drop icon. You're going to turn it on, and then obviously nothing will be clickable. So you need to hold it down on the digital crown to actually remove the thing from the Apple Watch from that mode, and it's going to play like a sound. And the sound is actually going to like expel water from the speakers or the parts of the Apple Watch, right? So if you go through the, the process here that you enable the water mode and then turn it off, the water will be ejected from the actual Apple Watch. But of course, if you just take the newer models underwater, this mode will be turned on automatically because it detects that you are underwater. And then when you start using the Apple Watch normally, then you have to go through this sequence, and the Apple Watch will expel or eject the water automatically. So it mostly works fine, even if you don't really pay attention to it too much. So that's how it generally works. If there is something which I did not mention, but you kind of had in mind, then let me know about that below in the comments. For now, that's going to be about it, and I hope to see you later in the future videos as well.